Hello, I'm back again with word of the day. So let's find out what word it is. He is exiled from his country. Just dismiss those thoughts from your mind. They're crazy and not worth thinking about. Can you use another word at place of underlined words? They're synonym. Can you guess the word? Oh, great. And the word is banish, which is a verb. Alright, so let's look at the definitions. It is usually used passive. Banish somebody from or to. It means to order somebody to leave a place, especially a country, as a punishment. For example, he was banished to Australia, where he died 5 years later. So, do you think that person would have returned to his home country? No, because he was banished. Okay, number two. Banish somebody or something from something means to make somebody or something go away, to get rid of somebody or something. So, both the meanings are very similar. This one is passive, this one is active. For example, the sight of food banished all other thoughts from my mind. Oh, that food must be sumptuous, isn't it? Good. Alright, so let's look at the forms. Present simple with I, we, they, you, we use banish. Again, with present simple third person singular, such as he, she, it, or any singular noun. We use banishes. The past tense of banish is banished. Past participle, banished. Present participle, the ing form, banishing. Let's look at the example sentences. They try to banish the memory from their minds. They try their best to remove all the memories from their mind. Good. Yes, they did. Number two, they tried to banish him from politics. Do you think they allowed him to do the politics? No, they did not. Number three, you must try to banish all thoughts of revenge from your mind. Isn't it a good idea for all to banish certain thoughts? Forgiving somebody is a better deal. So, do you have any synonym in mind? And okay, so synonym of banish is to dismiss. Antonym, accept. Great. Let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Now listen and repeat.
Banish.
Banish. Once again.
Banish.
One last time.
Banish.
Fantastic, you have learned a new word. See you again.